Let's go.
Ready, go!
Okay, number 1, in using backfill in the annular space around column not embedded in furred footings, the sand shall be truly compacted by dumping in layers not more than blank millimeter in depth. A 500 millimeter, B 400 millimeter, C 200 millimeter, D 300 millimeter. Answer? Okay, sagot ni Romulo, 200. Adi Joy, C. Carlo, Websley, Global, C. Lumabas ata to January, sabi ni Global. Yes, nasa listahan to. Saka yung sa compaction, kung ilan daw yung percentage ng compaction. So, ito nga yung unang sinabi sa akin ng mga nag-take last January na mga pinalad na makapasa na lumabas daw yung tinuro ko na sa compaction, ilang percent yung compaction. Okay, dadaanan natin yun sa estimate. So tinakal ko yun dati sa estimate kung with compaction ang backfill, ilang percent ang iaalat mo. Okay, so dito sa number 1 is correct answer natin, letter C, 200 millimeter. Yes. Yes, sabi ni Romulo, lumabas yan. 200. Kaya tandaan natin, 200, baka lumabas na naman to. Ang exam naman ay paulit-ulit. Okay, moving on, number 2. Precast, pre-stress concrete piles shall have a specified compressive strength FC of not less than blank MPa. A 25 megapascal, B 35, C 45, D 55. Answer? Okay, sagot natin. Okay, C, Global, letter B, Adi Joy, C, Jovan, B, Websley, B. Okay, letter B, 35 pala, sabi ni Adi Joy. Letter B, so it means letter B ang sagot mo. Okay, B or C? Si Romulo, C. Correct answer natin is letter B, 35 megapascal. Precast pre-stress. Yun, si Romulo nag-B na. Okay, congratulations sa mga sumagot ng letter B. Precast pre-stress concrete pile. 35 megapascal. Number 3, the minimum outside diameter of pipe piles when used must be A 300 mm, B 250 mm, C 350 mm, D 400 mm. Si Kenneth, C, Romulo, B. Oh, lumapa to ang sagot. Si Global, B 250. Si Ali Joy, B. Kenneth Juban Websley, B. Si Carlo, B. Okay, letter B. Romulo, B. Okay, lahat letter B. 250 mm is correct. Congratulations. Okay. Okay, number 4. Low-rise building is an enclosed or partially enclosed with mean roof height less than or equal to A 70 meters, B 50 meters, C 15 meters, D 18 meters. Sagot natin. Si Juban, letter D, 18 meters. Ari Joy, 18. Kenneth, D. Okay. Si Global, D pala. Okay, letter D is correct. 18 meters. Enclosed or partially enclosed. Number 5, the longitudinal forces on crane runway beams except for bridges cranes with hand-geared bridges shall be calculated as blank percent of the maximum wheel load of the crane. Yes, low rise. 18 meters. A 15%, B 10%, C 25%, D 20%. Sagot natin dito sa number 5. Yes, 15 sa National Building Code. Pero since NSCP yung topic natin, NSCP ang susundin. Si Juban, letter A. Adijoy, B. Websley, B. Pag sa ano naman, tatanungin ka kung as per NSCP or as per National Building Code. Okay, Websley, B. Correct answer natin is letter B, 10%. Congratulations sa 10% na sagot natin. Correct. Okay, number 6, the wind load importance factor LW for essential facilities is equal to A 10, A 1.0, B 1.15, C 0.87, D 0.70. Ang sagot ni Ira, letter B. Global, B. Romulo, 1.15. Websley, B. Okay, letter B ang sagot natin. Correct answer is letter B. Congratulations. Number 7, spacing for a lateral support for a beam shall not exceed blank times the least width B of compression flange or face. A 40, B 50, C 60, D 30. Answer. Sagot ni Ira, B. Okay, si Romulo 50, si Adijoy 50, Websley B, Kenneth Juban B. 50 is correct. 50 times correct. Okay, congratulations. Number 8, for a rectangular reinforced concrete compression member, it shall be permitted to take the radius of gyration equal to blank times the overall dimension of the direction of stability is being considered. A 0.30, B 0.45, C 0.50, D 0.75. Sagot ni Global, A. Romulo, Ira, Juban, A. Okay, letter A is correct. 0.30. Oops. Congratulations sa sagot ng 0.30. Okay, number 9, for members whose design is based on compressive force, the slenderness ratio KL over R preferably should not exceed A 300, B 250, C 200, D 350. Ang sagot ni Ira, C. Romulo, Jubans, Global, C. Okay, letter C. Correct answer natin is letter C, 200. Congratulations. Itong second part ng NSCP natin, upload ko sa YouTube. Kasi ito yung naka-recording na ng hindi sa Google Meet. Okay, number 10. Congratulations sa lahat ng sumagot ng C. Number 11, for members whose design is based on tensile force, the slenderness ratio, L over R, preferably should not exceed A 300, B 250, C 200, D 350. Sagot ni Ira, A. Romulo, A. Kenneth, A. Okay, letter A. Correct answer natin ay letter A, 300. Should not exceed 300 tensile force. Okay, number 11, other than pin-connected members, the allowable tensile stress shall not exceed blank on the gross area. Yan, sabi ni Global, pag tensile 300, pag compressive 200. Okay. Letter A, 0.60 FY, B, 0.45 FY, C, 0.33 FY, D, 0.66 FY. Sagot ni Alvin, A. Ira, Websley, Juban, A, 0.60. Si Gio, letter A. Okay, correct answer is letter A, 0.60 FY. Okay, congratulations sa lahat ng sumagot ng A. Moving on, number 12. For pin-connected plates, the minimum net area beyond the pinhole parallel to the axis of the member shall not be less than blank of the net area across the pinhole. A 3/4, B 2/3, C 3/5, D 1/3. Sagot ni Alvin, B. Arijoy, B 2/3. Juban, B. Okay, letter B. Correct answer ay 2/3 of the net area across the pinhole. Okay, congratulations sa mga sumagot ng B, Alvin, Arijoy, Juban. Okay, number 13, for pin-connected members in which the pin is expected to provide for relative movement between connected parts while under full load, the diameter of the pinhole shall not be more than blank millimeter greater than the diameter of the pin. A 1 mm, B 0.5 mm, C 0.80 mm, D 2 mm. Sagot ni Alvin, C. Arijoy, C. Ito na yung last part ng structural natin. So, hindi na lang natin natatakel, planning. Next week, magdi-design na tayo, Rule 7 and 8. Then, planning. Okay. Alvin, letter C. Arijoy, Kenneth, C. Okay, correct answer natin is C, 0.80 mm. Okay, number 14, the maximum longitudinal spacing of bolt, nuts, and intermittent welds correctly two rolled shapes in contact for a built-up section shall not exceed A 300 mm, B 450 mm, C 600, D 750. Ang sagot ni Alvin, C. Gio, C. Romulo, 600. Ira, Websley, C. 600. Correct answer is 600. Congratulations! Okay, number 15, the ratio L over R for lacing bars arranged in single system shall not exceed A 140 mm, B 200 mm, C 260 mm, D 320 mm. Ang sagot ni Alvin, A 140 mm. A uli, sabi ni Alvin. Okay, sagot-sagot tayo. Okay, wala nang sasagot. Correct answer natin is letter A. Correct si Alvin. Congratulations. Okay, number 16, the ratio L over R for lacing bars arranged in double system shall not exceed A 140 mm, B 200 mm, C 260 mm, D 320 mm. Ang sagot ni Alvin, B 200 mm. Okay. Bill, B. Adijoy, B. Okay, si Eliza nag-raise ng hand. Yes, Eliza. Letter B ang sagot niya. Yes, si Global, B. Okay, kung merong concern, open lang ng mic. Okay, correct answer natin is letter B, 200 mm. Congratulations sa lahat ng sumagot ng B, 200. Okay, number 17, for members bent about their strong or weak axis, members with compact sections where the flanges continuously connected to web, the allowable bending stress is A 0.75 FY, B 0.60 FY, C 0.45 FY, D 0.66 FY. Sagot ni Alvin, D. Ira, D. Eliza, D. Okay. Okay, letter D. Correct answer is letter D, 0.66 FY. Continuously connected. Okay, number 18, for box type and tubular textural members that meet the non-compact section requirements of section 502.6, the allowable bending stress is A 0.75 FY, B 0.60 FY, C 0.45 FY, D 0.66 FY. Ang sagot ni Ira, Alvin, B 0.60. Si Eliza, B. Bill, B. Global, B. Okay. Okay, letter B. Correct answer is letter B, 0.60 FY. Okay, congratulations. Correct kayo dyan. Number 19, in a composite beam section, the actual section modulus of the transformed composite section shall be used in calculating the concrete flexural compressed stress and for construction without temporary shores. This stress shall be based upon loading applied after the concrete has reached blank percent of its required strength. A 50%, B 60%, C 80%, D 75%. Ang sagot ni Alvin, D 75%. Okay, letter D. Okay, si Alvin lang. Correct answer, letter D, 75. Si Kenneth nagdiden. Congratulations. Number 20, shear connectors shall have at least blank millimeter of lateral concrete covering. A 25 mm, B 50 mm, C 75 mm, D 100 mm. Sagot ni Alvin, Ira, A. Si Ali Joy, 25, Global, A. 25 millimeter. Correct answer is 25 millimeter. Congratulations. Number 21, the minimum center-to-center spacing of stud connectors along the longitudinal axis of supporting composite beam is A. 6 diameter of connector, B. 8 diameter of connector, C. 10 diameter of connector, D. 12 diameter of connector. Sagot ni Alvin A. Ira Global A. Si Kenneth A. Okay, correct answer is letter A, 6 diameter of connector. Number 22, the maximum center-to-center spacing of stud connectors along the longitudinal axis of supporting composite beam is A, 6 diameter of connector, B, 8 diameter of connector, C, 10 diameter of connector, D, 12 diameter of connector. Sagot ni Alvin B, Ira, Romulo, Arijoy, B. Okay, correct answer. Si Eliza B. Correct answer B, 8 diameter of connector. Okay, congratulations. Number 23, connections carrying calculated stresses except for lacing, sag bars, and gears shall be designed to support not less than blank kilonewton of force. A30, B50, C26.70, D35. Sagot ni Alvin C. Yung may putal. 26.70. Si Eliza C. Okay, wala nang sasagot. Correct answer natin is letter C, 26.70. May putal. Kilonewton. Okay, congratulations, Eliza and Alvin. Moving on with number 24, the connections at ends of tension or compression members in trusses shall develop the force due to the design load, but no less than blank percent at the effective strength of the member unless a smaller percentage is justified by engineering analysis that considers other factors including handling, shipping, and erection. A 50%, B 70%, C 65%, D 100%. Ang sagot ni Alvin A, Paul, Adi Joy, Ira, Eliza, A 50%. 50% is correct. Okay, congratulations. Number 25, when formed, steel decking is a part of the composite beam. The spacing of stud shear connector along the length of the supporting beam or girder shall not exceed blank millimeter. A 600, B 750, C 900, D 1200. Sagot ni Alvin C, Ira, Romulo C, Adi Joy 900, Paul C. Okay, 900 is correct. Congratulations. Okay, number 26. The minimum size of filler weld for plates with thickness greater than 20 mm is A10, B8, C15, D20. Sagot ni Alvin D. Kenneth D. Paul D. Okay, letter D. And correct answer natin, si Romulo B. Okay, meron tayong B or D na sagot. Pero marami ang sumagot ng D, 20. Okay, correct answer natin is, ayon, letter B, 8. Correct, si Romulo. 8 greater than 20 mm is 8. Okay, congratulations. Number 27, the minimum size of filler weld for plates with thickness 6 mm is A 3 mm, B 6 mm, C 8 mm, D 10 mm. Sagot ni Paul A, Alvin, Ira, Arijoy 3 A. Okay, letter A is correct. 3 mm. Number 28, the maximum distance that the toe of fill slope made to the site boundary, A 3 meters, B 4.50 meters, C 6 meters, D 7.50 meters. Sagot ni Alvin, C 6 meters. Si Kenneth, C. Paul, C. Romulo, C. Eliza, C. Okay. 6 meters is correct. Congratulations. Okay, number 29. The minimum one-way slab thickness for a bought and continuous slab is A. L over 28, B. L over 24, C. L over 10, D. L over 20. Sagot ni Alvin, A. Adi Joy, Ira, A. Si Global, A. L over 28. Correct answer is letter A. L over 28. Okay, congratulations. Correct. Number 30, development length LD for deformed bars. Intention shall be less than. Shall be less, not less than ata, no? A 150 mm, B 300, C 450, D 600. Ira B, Alvin B, Paul B. Okay, correct answer natin ay letter B, 300 mm. Shall not be less than or shall be less than? Si Eliza B. Okay, congratulations sa lahat ng sumagot ng B. Okay, number 31. Before commencing the excavation work, the person making the excavation shall notify in writing the owner of the adjoining building not less than blank days before such excavation is to be made. So, nasa NSCP rin pala to, no? A 15 days, B 10 days, C 30 days, D 60 days. Okay, sagot ni Alvin B, Adi Joy 10, Paul B, Ira B, Romulo 10 days. The same sa NBCP, 10 days. Correct. Okay, number 32, fill slopes shall not be constructed on natural slopes steeper than blank percent slope. A 50%, B 10%, C 20%, D 60%. Sagot ni Alvin A, Ira, Kenneth A. 50%. Si Global A, 50%. Okay, correct answer natin is letter A, 50%. Okay, congratulations. Number 33, in the determination of seismic dead load with a minimum blank percent of floor live load shall be applicable for storage and warehouse occupancies. A 25%, B 50%, C 75%, D 100%. Sagot ni Alvin A, Paul A, Ira A. Okay, letter A. Correct answer natin, 25%. Correct. Okay, good job. Okay, number 34. The minimum one-way slab thickness for a one-end continuous slab is A. L over 28, B. L over 24, C. L over 10, D. L over 20. Ang sagot ni Ira B, Alvin, Paul, Websley, Romulo B. L over 24. L over 24? Correct. Okay, congratulations si Gio, letter B. Okay, number 35, the slope of cut surfaces shall be no steeper than blank slope. A 50%, B 60%, C 30%, D 40%. Ang sagot ni Alvin A, Ira, Websley, Eliza A, 50%. Okay, correct answer. Letter A, 50%. Correct. Okay, congratulations. Number 36. The minimum distance that the toe of fill is slope made to the site boundary line. Kanina, maximum. Ito naman minimum. A 0.80, B 0.60, C 1.50, D 2 meters. Sagot ni Alvin B, global B, pole B. Eliza B. Okay. Letter B is correct. 0.60. So, 6 meters, sabi ni Global, tandaan natin. Maximum. 0.60 minimum. Okay, thanks kay Global sa pag-take note. Number 37, the minimum bend diameter for 28 mm diameter through 36 mm diameter bars. A 4 dB, B 6 dB, C 8 dB, D 10 dB. Sagot ni Ira C, Alvin Kenneth C. Websley, Eliza, Global C. Okay, 8 dB. 8 dB is correct. Congratulations. Okay. Moving on, number 38, the minimum clear concrete covering for cast in place slab. A 80 mm, B 60 mm, C 40 mm, D 20. Sagot ni Ira D, Alvin Websley, Eliza Ville Paul D 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm is correct. Congratulations. Okay, number 39. In ultimate strength design, the strength reduction factor for shear and torsion. A 0.75, B 0.85, C 0.90, D 0.95. Ang sagot ni Alvin B, Ira B, Paul B, Websley, Eliza B. Kenneth B. Global B. Okay, letter B. 0.85. Correct. Okay, number 40, the minimum one-way slab thickness which is simply supported at the end only is A, L over 28, B, L over 24, C, L over 10, D, L over 20. Sagot ni Ira D, Alvin, Eliza D. Okay, L over 20. Correct answer, letter D, L over 20. Congratulations. Number 41, the minimum nominal diameter of steel bolts when wood plates or steel shall be bolted to foundation wall in Zone 2 seismic area in the Philippines. A 10 mm, B 12 mm, C 16 mm, D 20 mm. Ang sagot ni Alvin, letter B, Eliza, Websley, Paul, Kenneth B, 12 mm. Correct answer is letter B, 12 mm. Okay, congratulations. Number 42, the nominal diameter of steel bolt when wood plate or seal shall be bolted to foundation wall in Zone 4 seismic area in the Philippines. Kanina, Zone 2, no? A 10 mm, B 12 mm, C 16 mm, D 20 mm. Sagot ni Alvin C, Adi Joy, Paul C, Eliza, Websley, Paul C. Okay, letter C is correct, 16 mm. Pag Zone 4, 16 mm steel bolt. Number 43, individual pile caps and caissons of every structure subjected to seismic forces shall be interconnected by ties. Such ties shall be capable of resisting in tension or compression a minimum horizontal force equal to blank % of the largest column vertical load. Ang sagot ni Alvin C, A 15%, B 20%, C 10%, D 25%. Alvin C, 10%. Adi Joy, C. Okay, letter C is correct. 10%. Eliza, C. Okay, congratulations. Number 44, such piles into firm ground may be considered fixed and laterally supported at blank meter below the ground surface. A 1.50 meter, B 2 meters, C 2.50 meters, D 3 meters. Ang sagot ni Alvin, A 1.50 meters. Si Global, Ira, Eliza, letter A. Okay, letter A is correct. Okay, number 45. Such piles into soft ground may be considered fixed and laterally supported at blank meter below the ground. Ito naman soft ground. A 1.50 meter, B 2 meters, C 2.50 meters, D 3 meters. Sagot ni Ira, D. Alvin, Adi Joy, Paul, Eliza, D. Si Global, D. Okay. Correct answer natin, letter D. 3 meters pag soft ground. Okay, 3 meters. Kanina, hard. 1.5. Okay, number 46. The maximum length of cast-in-place piles or board piles shall be blank times the average diameter of the file. A 10 times, B 20 times, C 30 times, D 15 times. Answer? Sagot natin, si Global, C 30 times. Eliza, letter C. Kenneth, Paul, C. Okay, correct answer natin is letter C, 30 times. Okay. Okay, number 47, cast in place or board piles shall have a specific compressive strength, FC, of not less than blank megapascal. A 17.5 megapascal, B 20 megapascal, C 15 megapascal, D 25 megapascal. Mahina ba audio? Talaga? Okay naman daw. Si Global A, Paul A. Okay daw, sabi ni Global, thanks. Eliza A, Adi Joy A, si Gio, sabi niya malakas. Alvin A. Sabi ng kapitbahay, nakikinig. Hello po sa kapitbahay ni Gio na nakikinig. Shout out po sa inyo. Ano pong pangalan? Anong pangalan ng kapitbahay mo, Gio Marites? Okay, okay naman daw, sabi ni Kenneth. Baka Enteng. Okay, shout out tayo kay Enteng Kabisote. Okay, correct answer natin dito sa number 47 is letter A, 17.50 megapascal. Yan si Romulo. Letter A, kamote. Sabi ni Kenneth. Okay, number 48. Precast concrete piles shall have a specific compressive strength FC of not less than blank megapascal. Yung kanina, balikan nga natin yung number 47. Naulit lang ba to? Precast. Ito. So yung 47, cast in place. Ito naman precast. Okay, number 48, precast concrete piles shall have a specific compressive strength FC of not less than blank megapascal. Okay, ang mga sagot natin si Alvin B, Global B, Romulo, Paul B. 20 megapascal. Ayan, precast. Correct answer, letter B, 20 megapascal. Ayan, thank you sa notes. Excuse me po. Sabi ni Global, pag cast in place, 17.5 megapascal ang compressive strength. Precast, 20. Yan. Okay, thank you. Number 49, the maximum spacing of ties and spiral in a driven precast concrete pile center to center. A 25mm, B 50mm, C 75mm, D 100mm. Ang sagot ni Romulo, 75. Paul, C. Alvin, Kenneth, Global, C. 75mm. Eliza, C. is correct. 75mm. Number 50, temporary open-air portable bleachers may be supported upon wood seals or steel plates placed directly upon the ground surface, provided soil pressure does not exceed blank kilopascal. A 100 kilopascal, B 50 kilopascal, C 150 kilopascal, D 200 kilopascal. Sagot ni Alvin, B. Eliza, B. Global, Paul, B. 50. Okay, correct answer ay 50 kilopascal. Okay, congratulations. Okay, let's move on with number 51. The minimum size of filler weld for plates with thickness over 12mm to 20mm is A. 8mm, B. 10mm, C. 6mm, D. 5. Sagot ni Romulo, 6mm. Si Alvin, C. Global, Eliza, Kenneth, Paul, C. 6mm. Correct answer? Letter C, 6mm. Okay, congratulations. Okay, number 52, deep continuous flexural members has overall depth to clear span ratio greater than A 0.40, B 0.60, C 0.75, D 0.70. Sagot ni Alvin, A 0.40. Okay, Kenneth, Bill, Joy, Paul, Eliza, A, 0.40. Correct answer natin, letter A, 0.40. Okay, congratulations sa lahat ng sumagot ng letter A. Number 53, deep simple span flexural members has overall depth to clear span ratio greater than A, 0.40, B, 0.60, C, 0.75, D, 0.70. Ayan. Strength reduction factor. Si Romulo, letter C. Paul, C. Kenneth, C. Okay, correct answer natin, letter C, 0.75. Okay, number 54, spacing of shear reinforcement placed perpendicular to axis of non-pre-stressed members shall not exceed A, D over 4, B, D over 3, C, D over 2, or D, D over 1. Sagot ni Alvin, C. Ira, Joy, Eliza, C. D over 2. Correct answer, letter C, D over 2. Okay, congratulations. Number 54, in using a concrete backfill in the annular space around column not embedded in poured footings, the concrete shall have ultimate strength of megapascal at 28 days. A 30, B 15, C 10, D 5. Ang sagot natin ay letter B. Okay. Si Romulo, letter B. Alvin, Kenneth, Websley, Ira, Juban, Joy, Eliza, letter B. 15 megapascal is correct. Okay. Ultimate strength. Number 56, when grillage footings of structural steel shapes are used on soils They shall be completely embedded in concrete. Concrete cover shall be at least blank millimeter on the bottom. A 100 mm, B 150 mm, C 200 mm, D 250 mm. Sagot ni Alvin, B. Ira, B. Gio, B. 150 mm. Adi Joy, B. Paul, B. Correct answer, letter B, 150 mm. Excuse me po. Sabi ni Enteng. Way number 57 is any structure used or intended for supporting or sheltering any use or occupancy. A shell, B shelter, C building, D structure. Sagot ni Adi Joy, C. Ira, Kenneth, Gio, Paul, Eliza, Global, C. Okay. Building. Building is correct. Okay, congratulations. Number 58, the minimum cantilevered slab thickness is A. L over 28, B. L over 24, C. L over 10, D. L over 20. Sagot ni Ira, C. Romulo, Paul, Eliza, Websley, C. L over 10. Juban, Adi Joy, C. Okay, letter C. L over 10. Correct. Okay, number 59. One-way slab. Oh, hindi na banggit kung one-way slab. Yung isa, wala yung 8. L over 8, di ba? Yung rib. Tama. Solid. Ilan bang solid? 8, di ba? Kaya wala naman yung L over 8. Di, pipiliin na natin L over 10. Okay. Kahit hindi nabanggit yung kung ano, solid or kaya rib or beam. Diba? Beam. So, L over 10. Yes. Since hindi nabanggit sa choices yung L over 8, sa method of elimination natin, L over 10 ang best answer. Okay, number 59. Zone 1 of the Philippine map has a wind load of blank kilometer per hour. A 400, B 250, C 200, D 125. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, sagot natin letter B. Ira, B. Arijoy, 250. Gio, Alvin, Websley, Kenneth, Paul, Eliza, Romulo, letter B. 250. Okay, correct answer natin, 250 sub C. Okay. 250 km per hour. Zone 1. Ano ba yung mga zone 1? Saan mo makikita tong zone 1? Sub C. Yes. Pero anong mga province or okay, number 60. Let's move on. Number 60. A fracture phenomenon resulting from a fluctuating stress cycle. A. Stress, B. Caisson, C. Torsion, D. Fatigue. Luz Biminda. Hindi kasi nahati sa tatlo yung Luz Biminda eh. Ira, D. Gio, D. Eliza, D. Romulo, D. Yung the lesser wind, yung ano, Palawan. Okay. Romulo, D. Paul, D. Okay, sagot natin D. Fatigue. Fatigue is correct. Yes. Huwag kayong magpaka-fatigue ha. Dapat relax lang. Relax din pag may time. Okay. Okay, number 61. The resulting moment of a fully yielded cross-section. A. Plastic moment. B. Negative moment. C. Bending moment. D. Moment of inertia. Answer. Ang sagot ni Ira, A. Eliza, A. Kenneth A. Romulo, Tupperware. Plastic. Paul A. Orocan. Baka hindi na nila alam yung Tupperware. Wala na yata nagbebenta ng Tupperware. Meron pa ba nagbebenta ng Tupperware? Meron. Si Global nagpapa-order. Si Juban daw nagpapa-order ng Tupperware. Kasi noon nung bata pa ako, yung mga gamit namin Tupperware. Alvin A. Okay, correct answer natin is letter A. Plastic mold. Sunflower. Hindi ko mag-gets yung sunflower. Ang alam kong sunflower yung oil. Sunflower oil. Asset ng Pidea si Global. Order kayo ng perfume. Okay. So, moving on tayo with number 62. In walls and slabs, other than concrete joist construction, primary flexural reinforcement shall not be spaced farther than 3 times wall or slab thickness nor farther than A 300 mm, B 600 mm, C 450 mm, D 750 mm. Ang sagot ni Alvin C. Romulo, Paul Kenneth C. Favorite perfume daw ng Tupperware. Eliza C. Kenneth Paul C. Okay, correct answer natin. Letter C, 450 mm. Tapos ano pa ba yung mga pa-order? Avon, Sundance, ano pa? Nathaniel. Natasha. Dati mahilig kami mag-order dyan. Nathaniel. Dati mahilig ako eh. Uy, pag may gusto ako sa polo shirt sa Nathaniel. Tapos pag ano ko, may makakasalubong ako kapareho ng damit. Wala nun din ako nag-order. Okay. So number 63, an open building is a structure having all walls at least blank percent open. A 100%, B 80%, C 60%, D 40%. Sagot ni Romulo, letter B, Ira, Paul, Alvin, Kenneth, Eliza, B 80%. Open building daw. 80% is correct. 80% open. Number 64, Zone 3 of the Philippine map has a wind load of blank kilometer per hour. A 400, B 250, C 200, D 125. Okay. Ang sagot natin ay si Romulo, letter ay naulot yung B pala, no? Okay, si Romulo 125, Global D, Ira D, Paul, Kenneth, Eliza D 125. Yung kanina zone, ano nga yung zone 1 ba yung kanina? 200. Okay, sabi ni Global zone 1 250, zone 2 200, zone 3 125. Okay, correct answer natin dito is letter D, zone 3 125. Si Geo D. Okay, saan ba dyan yung ano? Saan ba dyan yung Bicol Region, Isabela, yung Sierra Madre, yung East? Zone 4. Zone 4 is, anong zone 4? Sabi ni Geo, zone 4. Sa wind loading natin, seismic yata. 0 kilometer. Ibig mo sabihin, wala nang lakas yung ano? Yung nasa 250 ba? Yung malakas. Kasi yung mga bagyuhin. Batanes. Okay. O yata, abot ata ang bagyo eh. Batanes, Isabela, Bicol Region, Leyte, Samar. Yun. Mas mataas na wind load Diba? Mas malakas. Okay. So number 65, the magnitude of the loads is specified by the applicable codes. Yung mga dinadaanan ng bagyo pala yung sinasabi ni Global. Siyempre yung di ba pag may bagyo, laging na sa balita yung mga kung ilang kilometer per hour, gustiness, di ba? Lagi yung binabanggit yung wind load. Kung gaano kalakas yung hangin na dala niya. Okay. So, A, actual load. B, occupant load. C, nominal load. D, none of the above. Sagot natin sa number 65. Ask mo muna si Mang Tani. Wala na si Mang Tani, di ba? Ano, nandiyan pa ba si Mang Tani? Kasi nandun na si Kuya Kim. Sino po yan? Hindi nila kilala si Mang Tani. Si Kuya Kim. O kaya yung pumalit kay... Shh! Yung pumalit kay Kuya Kim. Yun, nubo na ako. Sagot natin dito, letter B, si Romulo. B, Baguio. Mang Iman. Okay, correct answer B, occupant loads. Di ba na gano'n yun? Hindi, nag-leave din ata si Mang Tani. Kasi binagyo. Okay, number 66, concrete field driven piles of uniform section shall have a nominal outside diameter of less than A, 800, B, 600, C, 400, D, 200. Ang sagot ni Ira, D, Paul D, Kenneth D, Romulo D. Si Global kasi ang kilala niyang weather postcaster, yung nasa Glory. Si Gio D. Okay, correct answer. Ernie Baron. Si Ernie Baron pa ang kilala ni Global. Ang galing, rest in peace. Okay, correct answer natin ay D, 200. Congratulations. Okay, number 67, Zone 2 of the Philippine map has a wind load of blank kilometer per hour. A, 400, B, 250, C, 200, D, 125. Sagot ni Ira, C. Si Kenneth, si Romulo, 200. Kenneth, C. Paul, C. Global, C. Ito na yung mga binanggit ni Global kanina. Okay, correct answer natin, C, 200. Okay, number 68, this refers to the length of reinforcement or mechanical anchor or hook or combination thereof beyond point of zero stress in reinforcement. A, front anchorage. B, end anchorage. C, side anchorage. D, none. Sagot ni Ira, B. Romulo, B. End anchorage. Paul, B. Kenneth, B. Okay, letter B. Correct answer. End anchorage. End. Okay. Congratulations. Number 69. The stress that remains in an unloaded member after it has been formed into a finished product. A, remaining stress. B, bending stress. C, yielding stress. D, residual stress. Answer? Ang sagot ni Global, D, residual stress. Si Kenneth, D. Ira, Romulo, D. Okay, letter D. Correct answer, D, residual stress. Okay, congratulations. Number 70, what is the allowable deflection for members carrying flat roofs not supporting or attached to non-structural elements likely to be damaged by large deflection? A. L over 180. B. L over 480. C. L over 360. D. L over 240. Sagot ni Global A. Ira, Kenneth, Paul, Romulo. A. Letter A is correct. L over 180. Number 71, urban and suburban areas, wooded areas, or other terrain with numerous closely spaced obstruction having the size of single-family dwelling or larger falls on what exposure category for wind loading? A. Exposure A. B. Exposure B. C. Exposure C. D. Exposure D. Ang sagot ni Global B. Ira B. Romulo B. Exposure B. Okay. Correct answer natin. Letter B. Exposure B. Urban, suburban. Wooded areas. Number 72, open terrain with scattered obstructions having height less than 9 meter falls on what exposure category for wind loading? A. Exposure A. B. Exposure B. C. Exposure C. D. Exposure D. Ang sagot ni Global C. Ira, Romulo, Kenneth, Juban. C. Exposure C. Correct answer? Letter C. Correct. Number 73, large city centers with at least 50% of the buildings having a height greater than 21 meter falls on what exposure category for wind loading? A. Exposure A. B. Exposure B. C. Exposure C. D. Exposure D. Sagot ni Ira A. Global, Romulo, Juban. A. Correct answer? A. Exposure A. Number 74, retaining walls shall be designed to resist sliding by at least blank times the lateral force. A. 1.5, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Sagot ni Romulo 2, Ira B, Global B. 2. Correct answer? Letter B. 2. Okay, congratulations. Number 75, the allowable deflection for any structural member loaded with dead load and live load only. A. L over 180. B. L over 480. C. L over 360. D. L over 240. Sagot ni Romulo, letter D. Juban D. Alaisa D. Okay, letter D. Correct answer natin. Letter D. L over 240. Si Global, letter D din. Congrats. Okay. Number 76, remaining walls shall be designed to resist overturning by at least blank times the overturning moment. A. 1.5, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Ang sagot ni Ira A. Si Romulo 1.5, Global A. Alaisa A. 1.5 times. Correct answer? Letter A. 1.5 times the overturning moment. Number 77, groups of parallel reinforcing bars bundled in contact to act as one unit shall be united to blank pieces in one bundle. A. 1.5, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Sagot ni Global D, Ira D, Romulo 4. Okay. Correct answer natin, letter D, 4. Okay, congratulations. Number 78, the minimum bend diameter for 10 mm diameter through 25 mm diameter bars. A. 12 dB, B. 10 dB, C 6 dB, D 8 dB. Ang sagot ni Global, D. Ira, D. Si Romulo, 4. Then 6 dB. Ira, C. Eliza, C. 4? Saan ba yung 4? Tinatanong ni Global kung 4 pieces kahit anong size na yun. Saan ba yung 4? Dun sa number 77? Yes, basta yung one bundle 4. Yes. Kahit anong size, basta ano siya, one bundle bar is 4 pieces in one bundle. Kahit anong size. Max. Mentos lang ang alam ko. Di ko alam yung max. Basta ang laging nababanggit kasi yung ano minimum. Yung 4 pieces in one bundle. Sa 36, yes, di na yan pwede. Kasi masyado nang malaki. Di na siya. Kung nabasa mo yung NSCP ni 36mm, hindi na siya pwedeng i-bundle bars. Greater than. Tama si Ira. Yes. Okay, sagot ni Alvin, letter C, 6 dB. Correct answer natin dito is 6 dB. Correct. Okay, congratulations. Number 79, the minimum number of stories recommended to be provided with at least 3 approved recording accelerographs. A12, B10, C14, D16. Ang sagot ni Alvin, C. Romulo, C. Gio, Eliza, C. 14. Yan. Minimum number of stories. Si Kenneth, si Gio, Eliza, Glowell, C. Correct answer. Letter C, 14 stories. The number 80, maintenance and service of accelerographs shall be provided by A. Architect, B. Owner, C. Contractor, D. Neighbor. Wrong spelling yung neighbor. Ang sagot ni Romulo, owner. B, ayan. Si Ira, B. Kenneth, B. Eliza, B. Si Alvin, owner daw. Si Ira, N10. Si neighbor niya, si N10. Okay, neighbor. Okay, owner. Wala si owner. Bahala si owner mag-maintenance service. In number 81, who shall be responsible for keeping the actual live load below the allowable limits and shall be liable for any failure on the structure due to overloading? A. Admin, B. Owner, C. Occupant, D. Neighbor. Sagot ni Juban, letter B. Si Kenneth, B. Alvin, C. Ira, C. Paul, A. Romulo, C. Oy, iba-iba na yung sagot nyo. May A, may B, may C. Si Romulo, C. Okay. Admin daw ba? Owner? Occupant? Okay, correct answer natin dito is letter C. Occupant. Yes. Sabi ni Romulo, C. Occupant. Kasi hindi naman malaman ng admin kung ilan or yung iba walang admin. Hindi naman always may admin, di ba? Occupant ang responsible. Pero paano malalaman ng occupant na ilan yung live load? Malay ba? Sabihin ng occupant, malay ko ba na 4 lang dapat? Naging 6 sila. Okay, so moving on. Number 82 is a column element provided to transfer lateral force resisting system that can delivers from a fixed base and has a minimal moment capacity at the top with lateral force applied essentially at the top. A cantilevered column element, B cantilevered beam element, C suspended beam element, D none of the above. Ang sagot ni Romulo, letter A. Time check natin, 9:27 na ng gabi. Si Global A, Ira A, Paul A. Okay, letter A. Correct answer is A, cantilevered column element. Congratulations. Number 83, the period of continuous application of a given load or the aggregate of periods of intermittent application of the same load. A, application duration, B, load duration, C, time history analysis, D, none of the above. Ang sagot ni Ira, B, si Romulo, si Eliza, B, Paul, B. Okay, letter B, si Global B, load duration. Correct. Diban, B, congrats. Yan, congratulations sa mga sumagot ng B, load duration. Number 84, minimum area in square meters a member support which the design live load may be reduced. A, 14 square meter, B, 18 square meter, C, 22 square meter, D, 26 square meter. Sagot ni Global A, 14. Si Romulo, letter A, Gio A. Paul A, Kenneth A. Ira A. Gio A. Okay, correct answer natin, letter EY. Sabi ni Gio, EY. A, 14. Correct. Okay, number 85, minimum height of any wall requiring structural design to resist load unto which they are subjected in meters. A, 1, B, 1.25, C, 1.50, D, 1.5. Paano nga ba yung sa Indiano, yung accent ng Indiano pag nagbabasa ng napanood ko kanina sa Facebook Watch. Sabi ng mga Indiano, yung worst daw na English speaker, yung mga Chinese. Yung hindi daw. Tapos biglang yung gumawa nung video, Chinese. Tapos sinasabi ng mga Indiano na worst na English speaker, Chinese. Tapos bandang huli, yung alphabet kung paano mag-pronounce ang Indiano. A, B. Okay? So, no offense kung meron ditong Indian. Okay, correct answer natin, letter C, 1.50. Si Juban, Indian daw siya. Bill, lumamin ka na. Oy, sorry, Juban. Sorry. Nang i-Indian. Ako nung nasa Malaysia ako, napagkamalan ako Malaysia. Tapos sabi naman ng mga office mate dati nung asawa ko, mukha daw akong Indiano. Kasi nga, nasa site pa ako noon, negro. Okay, so number 86, maximum deflection of a brittle finish wall subjected to a load of 250 Pascal applied perpendicular to said wall. A, 1/480 of wall span. B, 1/240 of wall span. C, 1/360 of wall span. D, 1/120 of wall span. Ang sabi ni Global, Indianing, singkit. Indianing. Okay, sagot ni Romelo B. Paul B. Joke. Hala, sabi ni Gio. Okay, Juban B. Global B. Gio. Si Gio, Indian din si Gio. Nang i-Indian. Si Eliza B. Okay, letter B tayo. 1/240. Correct. Okay, number 87. Allowable tolerance on minimum concrete cover for depth greater than 200 mm. A, negative 10 mm. B, 12 mm. C, 14 mm. D, 14. Dalawa yung 14 mm. Paano nyo? Sabi ni Enteng. Ang sagot ni Ira B, Eliza B. Ano yan? Dalawa ang 14. Geo B. C or D. Sabi ni Ira, C or D. Pag ganitong dalawang ako pag ginagawa ko dalawang hindi ko na sinasagot yung may the same. Si Global B. Kasi for sure naman yung correct answer. Okay. Pero sometimes hindi rin nakikita na dalawa pala. Parang dati sa mga quiz ko, may dalawang answer. Tapos yung answer nandun din sa dalawang yun. Okay? Bonus. Kaya correct answer natin, 12 mm. Okay? Congratulations. Okay, number 88, maximum deflection of a flexible finish wall subjected to a load of 250 Pascal applied perpendicular to said wall. A, 1/480, B, 1/240, C, 1/360, D, 1/120. Sagot natin dito sa number 88. Time check natin, 9:33. Okay, OT na tayo. Mag-automatic natin, Gmit. Si Romulo, letter D. Alam niyo ba yung bagong video call? Parang ganito rin, Gmit. Pero free. Kasi yung free ng Gmit, 30 minutes na lang eh. Dati yung free nito, unlimited eh. Okay, letter D, sabi ni Romulo. Correct answer na Eliza, D. Correct answer ay D, 1/120. Okay, congratulations. Number 89. How is a 90-degree bend standard hook for concrete reinforcement constructed? A, 90-degree bend plus 10 dB extension at 3 end of bar. B, 90-degree bend plus 12 dB extension at 3 end of bar. C, degree bend plus 6 dB extension at 3 end of bar. D, degree bend plus 4 dB extension at 3 end of bar. Okay, sagot natin. Si Ira B, Juban B, Paul B, Kenneth B, Romulo B, Global B. Anong isa? Geo B. Anong isa? Wala si Lovelyn. Wala si Lovelyn, Juban. Nagpaalam siya na may inaasikaso siya. Yun sa 88. 1/240. 1/240. Brittle finish walls subjected to a 250 is 1/240. Yan. Ayan, sabi ni Eliza, pag brittle finish, 1/240. Pag flexible finish, 1/120. Hindi pa nag-drop si Lovelyn Kaya lang, may inaasikaso daw siya. Kaya sa recording na lang siya babawi. Saka next week, sabi niya, next week din. Yung pa naman yung design. Okay. Si Monica nag-drop. Bakit nag-drop si Monica? Why oh why? Bakit Gio? Di nga Gio. Sayang naman. Inuulit niya yung mga ginagawa niya dati. Ice drop. I-chat-chat ko mamaya si Monica, tatanungin ko siya. Sabi ni Gio, nag-drop ka na. Okay, number 90, minimum spacing of bolt in timber connection measured from center of bolts parallel to grain loading is equal to. Natakot si Gio. Ang sagot ni Ira C, 4 times diameter of bolt. Si Global B, Romulo Paul C. Hindi, tatanong ko talaga. Si Kenneth C. Sabi ni Kenneth, nag-drop ko na daw kasi dadagdagan ko yung sinabi ni Gio. Eliza C. Okay, correct answer. Ano ba idadagdag natin sa sinabi ni Gio na nag-drop na si Monica? Dahil kay Kenneth, kaya siya nag-drop. Bakit ako, sir? Si Gio nga bakit naman ikaw, Kenneth? Si Gio nga nagsabi. Bakit si Kenneth nag-react na bakit ako, sir? Nabanggit ko ba, Kenneth? Global, nabanggit ko ba si Kenneth na nagsabi? Hindi naman, si Gio ang sabi ko eh. Bakit ako, sir? Okay, so moving on tayo, number 91. According to the provision of the NSCP on timber connections and fastening, the loaded edge distance for perpendicular to grain loading shall be at least A 3 times diameter of bolt, B 2 times, C 5 times, D 4 times. Answer? Ito Gio, tinetext ko na siya. Chat ko na. Sagot ni Eliza D. Okay, si Kenneth D, Global D, Paul, Romulo D. Okay, correct answer natin ay letter D. 4 times diameter of bolt. Lagot ka, recorded to Gio. Mapapanood ni Monica sa sa YouTube. Ipopost ko to sa YouTube. Okay, number 92, NSCP specifies spacing between row of bolts for perpendicular to grain loading shall be at least blank times bolt diameter for L over D ratio of 2. A2, B 2.5, C3, D 3.5. Ang sagot ni Romulo, letter B. Si Ira B, Global B. Eliza B, Kenneth B. Okay, letter B. Correct answer natin, letter B, 2.5 times. Okay, kung binubuli ni G si Monica na walang malay. Oo nga, lagot ka Gio. 93, wala kang ampaw. 93, minimum diameter of bolts to be used in timber connection and fastening in accordance with NSCP's specification. Alam na yan. Alam na daw ni A12mm, B16mm, C14mm, D10mm. Yan, nagsumbong na si Ira. Nagsumbong na daw si Ira. Lagot ka. Okay, si Romulo, letter A. Si Kenneth A. Ira A. Paul A. Eliza A. Global A. Kenneth A. Okay, letter A. Lagot ka, Gio. Magtago ka na, Gio. Correct answer ay letter A, 12mm. Congratulations. Yeah. 94, simple solid. Nag-usap na sila ng Mandarin. Si Ira sa si Monica. Number 94, simple solid timber collections have slenderness ratio not exceeding A200, B150, C100, D50. Di na siya sumasagot. Natakot na si Gio, di na sumasagot. Si Ira D, si Paul D. Oy Gio, buhay ka mo. Global D. Ilang araw na naman yan di papasok si Gio. Alvin D. Okay. Correct answer natin is letter D, 50. Shall not exceed 50. Okay, congratulations. 95 nails or spikes for which the wire gauge or length not set forth in the NSCP specification shall have a required penetration of not less than A 8 diameter, B 11 diameter, C 14 diameter, D 17 diameter. Ang sagot ni Alvin 11, Romulo 11D, Kenneth B, Paul B. Okay, correct answer natin. Nag-left na yata si Gio. Ay, ito pa pala si Gio. Letter B, 11 diameters. Okay, congratulations. 5 na lang. 9:43 na. Grabe ang oras. Ang bilis. Okay, 96. Notches in sawn lumber bending members in accordance with the NSCP specification shall not exceed. Ang sagot ni Alvin, 1/6 depth of member. Si Ira, C. Paul, Kenneth, C. Eliza, C. Global, C. Okay, correct answer natin is letter C, 1/6 depth of member. Okay, 97, notches in sawn lumber shall not be located in the A. Middle second span, B. Left side of span, C. Right side of span, D. Middle third span. Okay, si Ira D, Romulo D, Eliza, Global, Kenneth, Paul D. Middle third. Kasi nga, nandyan yung MTS. Sabi ni Alvin. Okay, middle third. Okay. Critical yan. Kahit sa mga beams. Okay, 98. Congratulations. 98. Allowable tensile stress of structural steel based on effective area. A. 0.50 of specified minimum tensile strength. B. 0.60 of specified minimum yield stress. C. 0.60 minimum yield tensile strength. D. 0.50 of specified minimum yield strength. Ang sagot ni Alvin, letter A. Eliza, Paul, Romulo, A. 0.50 of a specified minimum tensile strength. Si Global, A. Correct answer? Letter A. Ang haba. Kenneth, diba? Ang haba. Siya yung pinakamahaba. Okay. 99. Allowable stress for tension on pin-connected members based on net area. A. 0.45 FY, B. 0.60 FY, C. 0.66 FY, D. 0.87. Ayan, ang sagot ni Alvin, 0.45 FY, Romulo, 0.45, Paul, A, Ira, Eliza, Global, Kenneth, A. Correct answer natin, letter A, 0.45 FY. Okay, for the win na tayo, the last but not the least, number 100. For structures carrying live loads which induce impact, the assumed live load shall be increased sufficiently to provide for same. For supports of elevators, the increase shall be A. 50%, B. 75%, C. 100%, D. 150%. Ang sagot ni Alvin, 100, Romulo 100%, Ira, Kenneth, Global, Ira, Kenneth, C. Si Global, D. Si Paul, C. Si Global, nag-change na sa C. Eliza, C. Si Global, C po. Okay. Letter C ang sagot natin. 100% sa elevator. Correct.
Beautiful.
Because God is with me and God loves me, I will get through this. Good luck and God bless. Future June 2023 Architects. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Momota, mwah. Momota, mwah.
Okay, maraming salamat sa mga masipag nating sumagot. Juban, Kenneth, Romulo, Ira, Global, Kara, yan, Eliza. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kenneth, Alvin, Gio, Will. Yan, good night, and